install the VMware workstation. Okay, this workstation you see here, it looks like this. This is like a VMware workstation. Okay, as soon as I click here, it will come like this VMware workstation. Okay, so what exactly we have to do with this? See, like whenever we try to install the VMware, what exactly it does, we can able to install multiple operating system in that one. Okay, so this VMware, when I try to install, it will look like this. Okay, I'm trying to install the workstation. Yeah, it is getting installed. Now loading, and slowly it will get installed. So what exactly it asks? See, I'm welcome to the installation wizard of the VMware workstation. Clicking on next option. Okay, I read the our accept terms in the license agreement. Click on next, and then typical and custom. Okay, so let's just so typical features exactly what will be installed. Choose the program what you want to install. So I'm just using this one typical. Click on next. Okay, click on next. Help to improve this one for the desktop. I want my VMware should be on the desktop, right? Like this. Continue. So it is what exactly it is performing an operation. So let me show you how this VMware looks like. Okay, it is getting installed now slowly. So what is the main purpose of this VMware? We can able to like work with multiple operating system in that one. Okay,
Yeah.
so it is installing all the packages and completely like preparing the list. So it will take some time to get it installed. Okay, it is installing some packages slowly. So once these packages get installed, so what exactly it will ask? It will ask for the license key for that.
Okay.
So slowly it is getting installed now. This VMware workstation.
Is
So
it
what?
available in Google?
Yes, we can able to get it in the google.com. Okay, I will show you exactly. I will share you the link for that. Okay, it
Okay.
is getting installed.
Jason, last class we discussed about the scanning, right?
Yes, I will discuss
Some of
on that part. Yeah, I will discuss
Yeah,
on that
some
part.
of the
Yeah,
scanning is not
yes,
working.
yes.
I sent
Yeah, we will discuss on that. But right now I'm discussing about that VMware
the
installation,
innovation.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, so let's just VMware installation to get finished. At the end of the class, we'll discuss.
Okay.
Okay. So this workstation looks like this. Installing the packages on the system. So it is taking some time
Okay.
to get it installed. So it will ask for the license key. Once you put that license key in that one, it will get installed. So this is you see here on the desktop. This is the workstation. Here inside that we can work on multiple operating systems like Linux, Kali Linux, and all. Okay.
Okay.
So it is slowly getting installed now. It will take some time to get it installed. Please wait by the wizard. Okay,
Okay.
so it's getting installed now. Installing. So that it is taking some time to get it installed. Slowly it is getting. So that is the thing. When I try to install this one, right, the workstation, first of all, what will happen? The system will get little bit slower now. Because
Okay.
on top of this VMware workstation, we will try to install what? We'll try to install an operating system in that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what will happen again? It will get little slower now because multiple operating system will be installed on that. So the
Okay.
sizes also get matters. How much is the size of your system? Okay, so it is taking some time to get install all the packages.
Okay.
Yeah, so just give it 1-2 minutes. It will like finalizing the installation. Last step is there.
Okay.
It takes several minutes to get it completely install this workstation, and then there will be the ISO image. See, you see here this one ISO image. That kind of ISO image we have to extract that one. Okay, this
Okay.
ISO image will get extracted, and then we can able to work on the Kali Linux on top of that VMware workstation. Okay, so that is taking some time. Just give me a 1 or 2 minutes. It will get installed. Installing the additional components. Slowly it will get installed the additional components. When this components get installed, all the files, packages, and the components, that will take at least 15 minutes of time to get it completely installed. This completely, it's all depend upon the speed of your system. Okay, it will take a 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes, but this VMware get installed.
Mhm.
So what exactly we'll try to do? We will try to work on the Kali Linux. As I told you, right? Kali Linux. That Kali Linux, we will work on the VMware workstation. See, the setup wizard is complete, finished. Okay. So this VMware workstation look like this.